Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on ConvertKit for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. After logging in, complete your profile. In Grow section, choose either Create a Form or Create a Landing Page. Customize it with a title, description, and a clear call to action to grow your email list. In Send section, go to Sequences. Create an automated email series by selecting New Sequence and setting intervals between emails. In Send section, Broadcasts. Send one-time emails by selecting a template, writing your message, and choosing your audience. You can schedule it or send it immediately. In Automations, set up triggers like new subscribers and build workflows for actions such as sending welcome emails or applying tags. In Automate section, go to App. Here you integrate third-party apps like Zapier or Shopify to streamline your workflow. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.